Welcome to another BookingKoala tutorial. If you don't have BookingKoala yet, be sure to get it from the link below and follow along step by step. If you're new here, we have lots of tutorials about BookingKoala on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can easily find us whenever you need help with BookingKoala.
Today I'll be walking you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to temporarily disable online bookings. So let's dive in and get started. Open the Settings. Select General and then Store Options. Go to the Customer tab, then click Booking section. Look for the question, would you like to allow customers to book appointments for the same day? Select No. Then another question will come out. When is the latest the customer is allowed to book? So set the number of days to a future date of your choice. So this will create a rolling restriction that prevents bookings for that future period. So if you want to completely stop customers from booking, set it to date 3 weeks ahead. Don't forget to click the Save button at the bottom of the page. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. That's all, and thank you for watching.
If you are interested in a simple-to-use cleaning business app, check out Clean CRM. Right now, you can try it out for free for 30 days.